Hi children, Namaste, welcome to English World. Today we are going to discuss another beautiful lesson, my dear children. We have learned all about almost 2 units we have completed, and second unit is cancelled by the government. So we have learned first unit and third unit. Now we're going to learn fourth unit, and the lesson that we're going to learn is be reading the naughty boy. What kind of boy or child you are? Naughty or good? Are you a good child or naughty child? Think about yourself, what kind of boy you are, or what kind of girl you are. Okay, we have been plenty of times good and bad, right? But at the same time, as we are growing, we have to become more responsible, more obedient, more good students. So what kind of student you would become is your choice. So I expect, my dear children, that all of you must become good and very, very nice children. Okay, in this poem written by John Keats, we're going to learn about the kind of boy that he has mentioned in his poem. This poem is written by John Keats. He is an English poet. Okay, he writes very, very beautiful poems. Okay, shall we learn the poem? What is the name of the poem? Naughty boy. What kind of boy? Naughty boy. What kind of boy is? Naughty boy. Okay. So let's read. Please read along with me. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. See, he was, fully, completely, totally, he is a naughty boy. He is completely a big naughty boy. He ran away to Scotland. What did he do? He ran away from his home. He ran away from his village. And he has gone to some other new place. And what is the place name that is mentioned here? Scotland. Where did he run away? He ran to Scotland. Is that clear, children? He ran away to Scotland. Why do you think that he has ran away to Scotland? Because he was such a naughty boy. He was a big irritation. He was a big mess for his parents. That's why he ran away to some other land, and that some other land name is Scotland. What is the name of the land? Scotland. Who has run away to Scotland? A boy. Why did he run away? Because he was a naughty boy. What kind of boy? He was a naughty boy. The people there to see, there he found. Why did he run away? To see how the people of Scotland are, how the place of Scotland is. To find out what kind of people are living, he ran there. Okay. There he found that the ground was as hard as, that a yard was as long as. Okay. How the ground was? How the ad was? And that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80. So if you read, he is comparing. What are the different things he is comparing? He is comparing with his motherland. What are those? Why did he go to Scotland? To check what are the things that are different from his house, from his village and Scotland. What are the different differences that he can list out? He wanted to find out that. So he is comparing the ground, he is comparing the yard, he is comparing a song, he is comparing cherry, he is comparing lead, he is comparing fourscore, he is comparing a door was as wooden as in England. Where is he from? He is from England, and he has gone to Scotland to find out what is different. What are the different things different? Children, if you go to, from your village to Guntur, do you find anything different? If you go to your village to grandparents' house, do you find that the earth is like sky? Do you find water is like, Amrudam? Do you find plates are like different papers? Do you find there in your grandparents' village people different, not like human being? No, we find the same. And he was shocked to find that, they were all as same as that are in England. So he stood in his shoes and he wondered and he wondered. So in Scotland, he found the same things. What things he found in his place called England, in Scotland also he found the same. And in his shoes, he just standing and got surprised. Why there are no different things? He just, stood like that and he just started wondering, amazing. And he stood in his shoes and he wondered. What things did he find? Did he find anything different? No, he did not find anything different. He found the same. The doors, the people, the ground, the earth, the oil, everything, the water, whatever it is there in England, the same things exactly same like in England. So that made him to stand and watch and get wondered. So he started wondering, children. So this beautiful poem is talking about comparison. The poet is using a comparative expressions, and this poem is written by John Keats. Who has written this poem? John Keats. What is the poem about? A naughty boy. Why is a naughty boy? Because he is comparing something that cannot be even thought for comparing. Okay, what did he do? He ran away from which place? England. And where did he go? He went to Scotland. Why? To compare. What kind of things he wanted to compare? Persons. Whether in Scotland and England people are same or not, ground is same or not, water is same or not, air is same or not, daylight same or not, lights same or not. What things are different? But to his surprise, did he find anything that is different? Nothing he found different. Everything same. Everything, what things he has found in his place, same things he found there. There is nothing different, my dear children. Right? He found the same things. There were nothing. Okay. So this beautiful poem is about this. Hope the poem is very clear, my dear children. And read for yourself so that you can understand. And please write rhyming words of this poem. There are so many rhyming words here. And also I will send the questions. Please write the answers for them. Write the hard words and find the meanings for the hard words from your dictionary and learn them. Okay, learning is very, very important. And this poem is taken from Unit 4 B reading, and the B reading name is The Naughty Boy. What kind of boy? The naughty boy. Okay, so listen at least 2 times, and before listening please write down the hard words. Take your notes and put the title of the lesson, and then whatever you understand write down, and write the hard words, opposites, rhyming words, and as I send the questions please answer to those questions. Okay.